Hey friends! Maintaining your vehicle's safety starts with your tires, and today we are looking at top-tier pressure monitoring systems. In this video, we're taking a look at the best car tire pressure monitoring systems in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the CDW TPS car tire pressure. This robust tire monitoring solution is specifically engineered for GM vehicles, covering a wide range of GMC, Chevy, Buick, and Cadillac models made since 2006. Arriving 100% brand new, these sensors are pre-programmed for your exact vehicle year and make, meaning you only need a simple scan tool for activation rather than complex programming. By utilizing top-tier materials and the same manufacturing processes found in original equipment parts, CDW guarantees exceptional reliability and safety for long-haul driving. One of its standout features is the high-capacity battery, which is rated to last a staggering 10 years under standard usage while remaining functional in blistering heat up to 125 degrees Celsius. This level of durability ensures your peace of mind regardless of the climate or road conditions you face. Furthermore, the system provides pinpoint accuracy in monitoring tire air levels, which helps prevent sudden blowouts, optimizes your fuel consumption, and significantly extends the lifespan of your expensive tire sets. Next up, our second product, the MarsFlex car tire pressure. If you own a Toyota, Lexus, Scion, or Pontiac, this specialized monitoring kit is designed precisely for your vehicle's requirements. It works seamlessly across various popular models like the Toyota Camry, RAV4, and Tacoma, as well as premium Lexus models such as the RX and IS series. These sensors are built using a high-grade manufacturing process that mimics original factory parts, ensuring that they integrate perfectly with your car's existing dashboard alerts. Each unit comes with a powerful battery engineered to deliver reliable service for up to 8 years, reducing the need for frequent maintenance or costly replacements. The sensors are pre-programmed for immediate recognition, though they can be easily synced using a standard TPMS scan tool for a perfect setup. To guarantee your safety on the road, every sensor undergoes rigorous quality control testing to meet strict safety standards. Additionally, the package is backed by a solid 1-year warranty and dedicated customer support, helping you maintain ideal pressure to avoid accidents and improve your overall driving efficiency. Coming in at number 3, the TimeMate TM7 car tire pressure. This versatile and highly user-friendly system is a standout choice for those who want a quick, plug-and-play, safety upgrade without any complicated wiring. The TM7 unit plugs directly into your vehicle's cigarette lighter socket, making it an excellent addition for older cars, commercial vehicles, or DIY enthusiasts looking for simplicity. A unique benefit of this model is its integrated dual USB ports, allowing you to charge your smartphone or tablet while the system monitors your tires. It provides real-time data with impressive precision of plus or minus 1.5 psi and plus or minus 3 degrees Fahrenheit, offering 6 distinct alarm modes to alert you of high or low pressure, rapid leaks, or battery issues. The color LCD display features an adjustable backlight, ensuring that your tire data remains clearly visible whether you are driving under the bright midday sun or during a late-night road trip. Supporting a wide pressure range up to 87 psi, it is suitable for everything from compact sedans to heavy-duty pickup trucks and travel trailers. Plus, TimeMate includes replacement CR1632 batteries and helpful video guides to ensure a hassle-free ownership experience. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the A Premium car tire pressure. Designed as a premium safety upgrade specifically for Ford and Lincoln owners, this system provides absolute confidence for drivers of the F-150, Bronco, and Navigator. These sensors come equipped with a high-precision NXP chip, which is the industry standard for delivering rapid and accurate data transmission directly to your dashboard. The hardware is equally impressive, featuring upgraded aluminum valves that resist corrosion and long-lasting CR2050 batteries that ensure your monitoring stays active for years. Each sensor is tested to rigorous SAE J2657 standards, proving they can function perfectly in extreme temperatures ranging from minus 40 degrees Celsius to 120 degrees Celsius without losing signal stability. While they are pre-programmed for a direct fit, you will simply need to follow your vehicle's manual to pair them during the initial installation process. This TPMS system is more than just a gadget, it is a vital tool for improving fuel economy and preventing dangerous tire-related accidents on the highway. With FCC and IC certifications alongside a reassuring 2-year warranty, A-Premium offers a blend of high-tech performance and long-term reliability for your modern truck or SUV. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the TimeMate TM8 Car Tire Pressure. For drivers who prefer a clean dashboard and sustainable power, the TM8 offers a comprehensive tire safety solution that utilizes advanced solar charging technology. This system mounts elegantly on your windshield, providing a clear and vibrant color LCD display that stays within your line of sight without obstructing your view of the road. It provides meticulous monitoring of both pressure and temperature, featuring 6 comprehensive alarm modes to warn you about rapid air loss or sensor signal drops. While solar power keeps the unit running during the day, you also have the option to charge via USB or a cigarette lighter for 24/7 reliability. The system is accurate within plus or minus 1.5 psi and is designed to handle pressures up to 87 psi, making it a perfect fit for SUVs, RVs, and MPVs. Setting up the system is remarkably easy, taking less than 5 minutes with the provided step-by-step guides and user-friendly interface. TimeMate also provides professional after-sales support and easy access to spare sensors, ensuring that your investment remains protected and your vehicle stays safe for every long-distance adventure or daily commute. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below. We're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.